we have arrived. So this is where I get my fill up for my water. There's a machine here. And just show you how it works. So in my bag, I bring my refillable jugs, recyclable. So I'll bring this. And you just take the jug and put it inside here. And for less than $1. So this is like a 5 gallon, or well, no, not 5 gallon, but 6 gallon water jug, and you can fill it up. So it'll cost me about maybe like 15 baht, which is less than $1. So you open up this, right? And just put the coin like that inside. You press the button. Here comes the water. There's the water. Filling it up. So it counts the seconds, as you can see. Very convenient. Very convenient. So, and a lot cheaper than constantly buying a new jug at 7-Eleven. Come here, and when it's almost full or whatever, you can just press this yellow button and it'll stop. Then I'll fill up the next one. Okay, so that's one jug. Fill it up like that. Nice and tight. Fill that bad boy up like that. So that's what I do on my morning routine, my walk. Part of my fitness. So I bring 2 of these in my bag. And I'm gonna fill up the next one. So here we go again, filling this up. Press the button, and there we go. So normally at 7-Eleven, this is like 41 baht when you buy it originally, but to refill it here, it's much cheaper. It's like 10 baht. But for 10 baht, you can fill up 2 of these, as opposed to paying 41 baht, which is like $1, right? But still, you know, it's fresh water, and you know, for the amount that you would buy and pay for one, you know, you can get you 10 baht and fill up and get you 4. So it just makes sense, you know. It's just I think it's very helpful, and it's very, very useful it's just good knowledge to have. So, you know, and they have a lot of these around throughout the area here in Pattaya. So like I bring a smaller one because there's still some left on there. So I'll press this. I'll fill up the smaller one. It comes out so fast. It comes out so fast, you know. And I still got enough to fill up another one. So, you know, you get 2 big ones and 2 smaller ones. So, you know, water is life. You know, water is life. So it's a good thing. There we go, filling it up. And it's still overflowing. There's still more. There's still more. So, I mean, this is how you fill up the water here in Thailand. It's nothing like it, you know, you can't beat it. So I just filled up like four jugs of water from, yeah, for like 10 to 20 baht, you know, 50 cent. Yeah, it's equivalent to be about like 50 cent in the United States and US dollars. Fresh, healthy, you know, good, clean, pure water. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. You know, a good fresh walk on the beach, filling up the water jugs. A way to help you save money and time, really, because I mean, you know, going back and forth and paying. So I find that to be helpful. And then, you know, after you fill it up, you can walk it back to wherever you're staying, and that can be part of your exercise also. So it's about a good, I say I now have a good 20 to 30 pounds on my back. And, you know, I can walk another mile or so with that on my back. Today is leg day. Can't forget leg day. So putting a little extra weight on my legs. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Just wanted to share, you know, that experience with you and show you how it can help you if you would ever come to Thailand. And yeah, so if you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here, get on my continue my walk. Peace, love, and everything. All right.